Today I show you how to use the flashlight on your Android phone. The flash of the phone that you can use to take pictures, it can be used as a flashlight also. This thing is also a flashlight. This can be very useful when there is a power outage and you don't really see around. If it's nighttime, you will not have a flashlight nearby, an actual flashlight, but you will most likely have your phone next to you, and I will show you now how to use the torch function on the phone. This is in Android, it's called the torch function, and I have it here on speed dial. It's right on the menu to be able to quickly turn on the flashlight. This is I use it a lot. I use it really a lot on the phone, and you can customize this menu. You can move the torch option, the torch menu button, somewhere where it will show as soon as you use the pull down menu once, so you don't have to do it on the 2 times, not once and then again to show it. On my phone, this is the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. The torch option actually is not that powerful. The light is not very strong, but when you use this, you don't really need a lot of light. You don't need because this will also consume the battery of your phone, and this is really all you need to get to an actual flashlight and use that, a torch, something with batteries that you can use for a longer time. The phone is better to keep the battery for using the phone for internet or to call somewhere or send a message. You can disable or enable the light anytime you like. On some Android phones, on older models, you could actually turn off the flashlight, the torch option, by pressing the power menu, the power button on the side of the phone. My old Xiaomi phone was doing this. I could turn off the light, the torch. I would turn on the torch from the menu, but then I could just turn off the torch, the light from the phone by pressing the power button. But the new phone doesn't do that, so this is not great. And because of this, I have the torch very quickly in the quick access menus. Even on the lock screen, I have the torch option. On some Android phones, you can actually do a double press on the power button, on the left button, and the side button, how it's called on Samsung, and that will open the camera. And when the camera is opened, it turns off the torch, and you press again on the power button and it turns off the camera and the torch. So it will be 3 presses, but on my phone, this one, I have to use the menu from the pull down menu on the top or from the lock screen itself. It's not too bad, it still works as it is, and I believe it will turn off by itself after some time, so the battery is not drained too much. And this is the option here I show you here on the lock screen menu. I will show you in a future video how to customize these lock screen widgets. So you can add the flashlight here, the torch, or the Google Pay options, or other widgets. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about the Android phones and what you would want to use for your phone.